Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country farmhouse style home decorating ideas. Let's have a look. Here are some practical tips for incorporating country farmhouse style into your home decor. Start with the walls. Use shiplap, bedboard or wood paneling to give your walls a rustic texture. Paint the walls in soft, neutral colors like white, cream or light grey to keep the space light and airy. Layer textiles. Use a variety of textiles like varnish, linen or cotton to add warmth. Layer rugs, throw blankets and cushions in patterns like checks, florals or stripes. Opt for natural fibers in curtains and pillows to keep the look organic and cozy. Embrace imperfections. Don't be afraid to incorporate furniture and decor with imperfections like chipped paint, worn edges or rust. These imperfections add to the charm of the farmhouse style. Consider dye projects like repainting or displacing old furniture to give it a weathered look. Decorate with farmhouse accents. Add elements like oven baskets, galvanized metal containers, and wooden crates for storage and decor. Hang vintage signs, plastic blocks, or farmhouse-style art on the walls to enhance the theme. Focus on the kitchen. If possible, install a farmhouse sink with an apron front, which is both functional and stylish. Display everyday items like dishes, glass jars filled with the pantry staples, or wooden cutting boards on open shelves for easy access and visual appeal. Choose classic farmhouse furniture. Look for large, sturdy furniture pieces made from wood, such as a farmhouse dining table or a wooden bed frame with distressed finish. Incorporate seating with upholstered cushions in neutral or muted colors for added comfort. Light fixtures. Swap out modern light fixtures for rustic or vintage-inspired lighting. Consider lantern-style pendants, old dining candlelights, or messenger lights. Use warm-toned bulbs to create a cozy ambience. Clean in nature. Incorporate natural elements like fresh flowers, potted plants, or even a bowl of fresh fruit on the kitchen counter. dried flowers or herbs, such as lavender or wheat, in vases or as wall hangings, for a touch of country charm. Incorporate reclaimed wood. Use reclaimed wood for beams, flooring, or even furniture, like a coffee table or headboard. It adds history and a rustic feel to the space. Consider creating an accent wall with reclaimed wood planks for its creating photo bond. Plastic storage solutions offer storage options that double as decor, such as antique crafts, wooden crates, or vintage metal lockers. Use open shelving in the kitchen or bathroom to display everyday items like dishware, glass jars, or folded towels. This keeps things accessible and visually interesting. Vintage rugs. Use vintage or distressed rugs in muted colors and classic patterns, such as Persian or Oriental designs. They add warmth and texture to your floors while complementing the rustic aesthetic. Textured ceilings. Add texture to your ceilings with bedboard, wooden planks, or exposed beams. This detail can enhance the rustic ambience of the room. If you have a high ceiling, consider adding a rustic candlelight or pendant lights to draw attention upward. Farmhouse dining table. Choose a sturdy wooden dining table with a distressed or natural finish. A large farmhouse table can become the heart of your home, perfect for gathering with family and friends. Pair the table with a mix of chairs and a bench to create an inviting, informal atmosphere. Upcycle and repurpose. Look for opportunities to upcycle or repurpose items. For example, turn an old door into a headboard, a letter into a blanket rack, or a wooden pallet into wall art. Repurposing adds a unique touch and reinforces the sustainability aspect of farmhouse decor. Farmhouse pantry. If you have the space, create a pantry with open shelving to display glass jars filled with dried goods. Label them with chalkboard tags for a giant, organized look. Use wicker baskets or galvanized frames for storing product or other pantry items. Porch decor. Extend the farmhouse style to your porch or entryway. Use rocking chairs, a wooden bench, or wicker furniture to create a welcoming outdoor space. Add potted plants hanging baskets or a vintage watering can filled with flowers for a touch of nature. Antique mirrors. Hang antique or vintage style mirrors with distressed frames to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Choose mirrors with ornate details or unique shapes to add visual interest. Farmhouse bathroom. Offer a coffee tub or a vintage style pedestal sink in the bathroom. These elements add to the charm and authenticity of the farmhouse style. Use vintage style fixtures like brush or oil wrapped bronze for pockets and lighting. Decorate with baskets. Open baskets can be used for everything from storing blankets to holding magazines or firewood. They add texture and warmth to any room. Hang baskets on the wall for a unique storage solution or decorative display. Vintage clocks and timepieces. Incorporate vintage clocks or timepieces into your decor. Whether large wall clocks or smaller tabletop versions, they add a timeless, rustic touch. Consider placing a large clock above the mantel or in the kitchen as a statement features. Seasonal decor. Change up your decor with the seasons, using natural elements like pumpkins in the fall, evergreen garlands in the winter, or fresh flowers in the spring and summer. Thanks for watching the video.